back to my space. If you're new here, I am Murugi Mwehaki and you're welcome. So today I'll be showing you how to make a sweet avocado smoothie. Yes, so here is the video. So what you're going to need is avocado. I have 2 but I'll use 1. Then 2 bananas. I've already cut up my bananas. Then we have milk, sugar, and ice cream. Remember that sugar is optional if you don't like sweet stuff, yeah? So let's get right into it. Yeah, I've already cut my bananas. Ensure that your hands are clean. Yeah. Osha mikono, I'll sanitize. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's not the reason we are here. So let's see how these avocado look like. I'm only going to use 1, so and spare the one for later. Good, it's awesome. Avocado when you made a group of schools. So now I'm going to peel this. Like that, then cut this into pieces. Okay, I'll just put it here. Yeah, so yeah, so that's done. Yeah, so I have everything cut up. This is what I will add into the blender. Add all this into the blender. So here we are. I'm being too careful not to pour. Yeah, so like that. Then we're going to add a cup of milk. So this is what I will use. So 1 cup. That's enough. 1 cup. Yes, that's enough. Add that. Then if you like it so sweet, you add sugar. 1 tablespoon. Okay, I'm going to use 2 because I like mine very sweet. And then you're going to blend this. You blend for like 3 minutes and it will be okay. Yeah, so our smoothie is all done, so let's serve this. Remember the ice cream? This is where it comes in. Oh, wow. And there you go, avocado smoothie. It's very sweet, by the way, very sweet, I'm so sure. Guys, it's all done. So here we have our avocado smoothie. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed and you're going to try this smoothie, kindly comment down below. And also, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, okay? Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can hit 500 subscribers by the end of the month. Yeah, so we're gonna make it, I believe so. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.